Mushrooms are nature's little wonders, and some are truly bizarre and beautiful. Take the Amanita muscaria, with its iconic red cap and white spots, often found in forests across North America. Then there's the bioluminescent Messina chlorophyllus, glowing eerily in the dark, typically spotted in tropical regions. The stunning blue chanterelles, native to the Pacific Northwest, are not just a feast for the eyes, but also a culinary delight. And let's not forget the delicate, pink-hued Entoloma hochsteteri, found in New Zealand, which looks like it belongs in a fairy tale. Each of these mushrooms tells a story of its unique habitat and the magic of biodiversity.